Hey guys, I decided to do a short video to show you guys the progress. That's day 2 of cleaning. We got most of it packed. We got the trailer outside. That way, I think 2 more, just a couple of trips, and this whole thing should be clear. Got the rooms. Pretty much done. All the big stuff as well, that's just a quick load or two. Otherwise we have everything empty, or at least bagged. Well, washroom doesn't much in here. Still with a beautiful ceiling. And we spilled some oil, so apparently they had a deep fryer and it was full of oil, so when we grabbed it we didn't realize it was full of oil, so it's slipped all over the floor. But yeah, everything empty, all the cupboards are empty, fridge and stove are gone, and downstairs is in progress, but a decent chunk of it is gone as well. At least you can somewhat see it's not a huge pile anymore. Still quite a bit of garbage though in the extra rooms. I opened up this wall in here, so there's at least some light in that room. We've got some industrial vacuum in here, so getting rid of the spider webs and everything else in here, so it's a little bit nicer. The smell is slowly starting to fade away as well, upstairs especially. We opened up all the windows, starting removing a lot of the stuff. Yeah, in here at least I can just actually get through. This whole corner seems to be clean as well. Still quite a bit of work, but we're just finishing up. There's still a couple hours until the end of day 2. So this is moving pretty well. And that's even without me actually being on the actual site. I had to run gravel and dump some of those things and do a bunch of other stuff outside of the specific site. So I have now 2 guys working here, and they're doing a great job. Oh yeah, and we had a ton. So yeah, this car was left here behind. A friend of mine wanted to try and restart, so yeah, this was full of garbage, and yeah, this area still stinks. We're gonna put the door back up. We took it out so we can get the stove and fridge out. This was filled with garbage as well. Cleaned that out. The shed was packed to the rim. Like the top of it was full of garbage. We kind of just pulled a lot of it out to see what's in there. So yeah, a bunch of tires, a bunch of paint, and other garbage that we're gonna slowly sort through. And there's still some garbage behind that as well. I got a lawnmower, so we're gonna clear a lot of this stuff up, and I'll guess update you probably tomorrow so you guys can see. And one bonus though, the roof on this side is actually pretty nice, so we'll see if we'll have to change that, or I'll have to look on the inside, see that none of the sheets have gotten mold and rotten. So we might need to literally take off the whole roof, take the sheeting off, put new sheeting, new waterproofing, and then shingles on top. But we'll get there. And yeah, all of the windows will have to be replaced. But first thing, and by the looks of it, I'm hoping by the end of the week we're going to be done with just cleaning, and then we can start taking the house apart. That's including the siding, the windows, roofs, and other stuff. I want to do the envelope first, make sure that it's weather tight, and then we can start working on the inside. So that includes, getting rid of the oil tank, doing some waterproofing, checking, because there is actually a significant crack that I did not necessarily notice. But again, I'm not too afraid of cracks and other stuff. You can just waterproof them, add the French drains and other stuff too. Not let the water in and this house again is probably about 60 some years old. So it's standing pretty good for its age. And okay, that's about it. If you guys have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them. Leave a like or a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.